Adjective order. Adjectives can be used to describe lots of things from physical size, shape, age, color, material to more abstract things like opinion and purpose. Opinion: beautiful, nice, ugly. Size: big, small, large. Age: young, old, new. Shape: circular, oval, square. Color: green, silver, white. Material: leather, plastic, glass. Origin: German, British, Chinese. Purpose: racing, running, terrifying. When more than one adjective precedes a noun, then adjectives are frequently placed in a specific sequence. Now look at the arrangement of the adjectives in correct order. I have a beautiful pink cotton scarf. He was eating delicious warm corn soup. My father bought a new large white plastic bathtub. There is a wonderful new Chinese restaurant. Degrees of adjective. There are 3 degrees of comparison in adjective: positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Positive degree. When we talk about one person or thing, we use positive degree. Example: Faizan is tall. Salma is young. Comparative degree. When we compare two persons or things, we use comparative degree. We add ER to make comparative degree. Example: Faizan is taller than me. Salma is younger than her sister. Superlative degree. When we compare more than two persons or things, we use superlative degree. We add EST to make superlative degree. Example: Faizan is the tallest boy in the class. Salma is the youngest girl in her family. If an adjective has 2 or more syllables, we add more to make comparative degree and most to make superlative degree. Example: Hina is more intelligent than Sana. Sawat Veli is more beautiful than Hunza Veli. Hina is the most intelligent girl in the class. Sawat Veli is the most beautiful valley in the world.